Namak Pare. These crispy, salty bites often feel like a guilty pleasure, but surprisingly, they're a simple snack you can make at home. Forget store-bought. Homemade is fresher, tastier, and way less processed. Let's dive in. Start with all-purpose flour, about 2 cups. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of semolina, aka suji. Trust me, semolina is the secret to that perfect, lightly crunchy texture everyone loves. It's a game changer. Next, mix in 2 tablespoons of melted ghee or oil. Not margarine, not butter. Use ghee or good oil. This fat's essential for the perfect flakiness. Good namak pare shouldn't break a tooth, right? Pro tip, work the fat evenly into the flour with your hands. Pain point moment, kneading. People get this step wrong all the time. You'll need 1/3 cup of lukewarm water, but add it gradually. Your dough shouldn't be sticky or too stiff. Aim for pliable but firm. Sounds tricky, but you'll get it. After kneading, cover the dough with a damp cloth. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. This downtime makes the dough easier to work with. Skip this step and your dough will fight you like it's trying out for a wrestling match. Now roll it out thin. Keyword thin. You're aiming for about 1/8 inch. If it's too thick, your namak pare won't crisp properly. A rolling pin does the job, but even an old bottle can work in a pinch. Cut the dough into diamond or square shapes. Get creative if you want, but smaller pieces cook more evenly. If you're feeling fancy, use a ruler for uniformity. This isn't about aesthetics, but avoiding half-cooked disaster bites. Deep frying's next. Heat oil in a skillet to medium. Drop a tester piece in. If it rises steadily, you're golden. Fry in small batches and stir occasionally for even cooking. Whatever you do, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook until they're golden and crispy. Don't rush by cranking up the heat. Low and slow is the mantra here. Burnt namak pare are a sad snack funeral no one wants to attend. Take your time. Patience is your ally. Drain the fried pieces on paper towels to remove excess oil. Once cool, give them a taste test. If you're into seasonings, sprinkle a dash of chaat masala over them for a tangy upgrade. Or keep them simple and classic. Store them in an airtight container. These stay fresh for about a week, if you can resist eating them in one sitting. Seriously, I've seen family members obliterate my entire batch in under 24 hours. Homemade namak pare are that rare mix of wildly addictive and reassuringly nostalgic. Offer them during tea time, a Netflix binge, or if friends come over pretending they just dropped by. It's old school comfort snack magic. Every time.